How to insert text box in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Google Docs. So okay guys, we are here. This is my Google Docs, so I just open it. So guys, there is a two way you can insert the text box in Google Docs. So first way, the simple, just open your your Google Docs and go to the insert, and you can use the drawing. Go to the new drawing, and here you can see the option called the text box. Just click on it. Now just draw the text box as per your size requirement. Okay, so just hit okay. So now you need to write something. Okay, I have write here some contain. Okay, so you can adjust this box like this. Okay, you can expand the size. I just okay. After, you can also take this text in center. You go to this option, three dot option. Here you can see the option called align. You can make it center. You can make the bold, underline, or Italian. Okay, so I just now just hit the text box, and you can change the border length. You can also change the border styles you want if you want, and you can also change the border color from here. Okay, you can that this is has been done. Now you can change as per requirement. You can use the tools. You can also the change the font style from here. Okay, after you've done your text box, just click save and close. That box will be inserted in Google Docs page. But if you want to move it, it won't be moved. You have to just click on it and use this option which is behind the text. After you use this, now you will able to move this text. Okay, it is like drawing, or you can say it is like image. Okay, you not directly you're not able to directly edit from here. You have to just double click on it, and it will be open in drawing, and from here you can simply edit your text box. Okay, or you can use this option. It will be also open the drawing box, and from here you can edit. Okay, so this is a simple process to insert the text box. But if you want to another way, I can show you. You can use the table option to use text box. Okay, go to the insert, go to the table, and hit the single row. Now you can write here something. Okay, I have just write it. You can select the text, and you can make it bold. You can change the text size if you want. You can change the text font. You can change the also background color if you want. Okay, and from here just hit the border and click and hold it, and you can change the size of box. You can change the aligns. Okay, okay, you can edit as per requirement. Here you can see now this text box has been generated, but it is like text. Okay, it is like table. Okay, you can move this table. You have to just scroll your cursor on the your left side, and you just make sure that this hand icon will be visible. After it is visible, just click and hold, and you can move as per your requirement. Okay, you can replace this like this. Okay, so this is a two way you can use as a text box. Second way, but this is the best way to use the text box. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.